Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Siletti. So in this video, I am solving the problem number 2.14 from chapter number 2. The problem is implement the Boolean function f equal to xy plus x bar y bar plus y bar z with an or an inverter gates. Here we are given with some predetermined or some restriction. That means we have to use these types of gates only for drawing the logic diagram. Now let us solve one by one. First problem is we can use AND gate, OR gate and inverter gate. So here we can see that xy is we can use here AND gate. This plus means here we can use OR gate. This x bar, here we can use an inverter. Okay, and y bar also same. So let us draw this logic diagram. F equal to xy plus x bar y bar plus y bar z. So here we can see that we have three input variables x, y and z. Okay, x, y and z. So we have three input lines. Here we can see that we have x bar, y bar, okay, and no z bar. So we have to use inverter here to find here x bar. We will use another inverter and we will get in this line y bar. So now let us draw this logic diagram. X, y, use an AND gate here because it is multiplication x, y. Then we have x bar, y bar. X bar, then y bar. Okay, use here another AND gate and we will get x bar, y bar. Then we have y bar, z. Y bar is this one, okay, and z. So this is multiplication, so we'll use here AND gate and we'll get here y bar z. Now we have addition. Addition means OR gate. So we'll use here OR gate and these are the three input lines. And here we will get the function or the Boolean expression. This is the logic diagram using only AND gate, OR gate and inverter gate. Here you can see that we have used this AND gate, this is OR gate and this inverter gates. Now let us go to our second part of the problem. In the second part we are given that we can use only OR gate and inverter gates. So we have to rearrange this function or this Boolean expression f equal to xy plus x bar y bar plus y bar z. So we have to rewrite this expression in terms of only OR gate and we can use inverter. So how we can rewrite this expression? So we'll use here De Morgan's theorem and we can rewrite it as xy can be written as x bar plus y bar whole bar, because when we will use here De Morgan's theorem, it will be x bar whole bar, that means x bar bar dot y bar bar, that will be double bar will cancel. Okay, so we'll get xy, this one. And similarly for the others, x plus y whole bar and plus this y bar z will be y plus z bar whole bar. So we have to draw the logic diagram for this expression. Here we can see that it contains only plus and inverter or the complement. Okay, so we can draw this. So we can draw the logic diagram of this Boolean function using only OR gate and NOT gate. So how we'll draw? Let us see. So we have three input lines x, y and z. These are the three input lines. We'll use here a NOT gate. Okay, we can use OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, or inverter. NOT gate means inverter. So we'll complement here and we'll get y bar here and inverter and we get z bar here. So first term is x bar plus y bar whole bar. So one thing you can see that OR gate followed by a NOT gate can be written as NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but a OR gate followed by an inverter. Okay, so we'll use here NOT gate because in each term we have a complement. So x bar plus y bar, x bar is this one, y bar is this one. Okay, we'll use here a NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate, we have a bubble here. So we'll get here x bar plus y bar whole bar. Then we have x plus y whole bar. X, Y, whole bar it is there. Okay, so we'll use here NOR gate. X plus Y whole bar. Then we have Y plus Z bar whole bar. Y plus Z bar. Y is this line. So draw a line from here. Y plus Z bar. Z bar is this one. Okay, use here another NOR gate. And we'll get here Y plus Z bar whole bar. Now we have to add these three terms. Okay, so we'll use here an OR gate and we'll get the function f at the output. Okay, so this is the solution of the second part of the problem. Now let us go to the third part of the problem, that is with AND gate and inverter gates. This C, we have the same function f equal to xy plus x bar y bar plus y bar z. Okay, this is the function. So in the third case we have to use AND gate and inverter gates. So here we can see that these are the AND gates we can use here, but we have to convert these OR gates. Okay, this is plus means OR gate. So we have to convert this OR gate in terms of multiplication. So we can rewrite this expression as xy whole bar, x bar, y bar whole bar, and y bar z whole bar, and we can use here another inverter, and when we will expand this form we will get this term. Now we can see that we have only multiplication and inverter gates. Now draw the logic diagram. So here also we have three inputs x, y and z. So draw three input lines x, y and z. Use inverter to get x bar here, another inverter and we'll get y bar here, and another inverter will get z bar here. Okay, now the first term is xy whole bar. Here we can directly use NAND gate, or we can use AND gate followed by NOT gate. So we will draw first AND gate and then we'll use an inverter to get this inverted form. So xy, x is this one, then we have xy multiplied with y. Okay, so we'll use here an AND gate. Now again we have to invert this xy, so we'll use an inverter here. Okay, and we'll get xy whole bar or whole complement. Then we have to find out x bar y bar whole complement. X bar is this one, y bar is this line. Use AND gate and then use another NOT gate. We'll get x bar y bar whole bar. Okay, then we have y bar z whole bar. Y bar is this one and z is this one. Use an AND gate and then use a NOT gate and we'll get y bar z whole bar. Here we can see that it is xy, it is x bar y bar, and we have y bar z. Then we have to multiply these three terms. Then another AND gate we have to use here. So the inputs will be these three. So here we'll get this multiplied form, but we have another complement. So we'll use here a NOT gate at the output. Okay, so we'll get here the function f. Okay, so this is the logic diagram of the third section. Now let us go to the fourth part of the problem, that is D. So the same function is the same. Draw the logic diagram using NAND gate and inverter gates. In this case we can use NAND gate and inverter gates. We can continue with the previous part. In the previous part we saw that AND gate is followed by NOT gate, so it is nothing but a NAND gate. Okay, if AND gate is followed by NOT gate, then it is nothing but the NAND gate. So we can directly write the same expression as the previous part C. xy whole bar, then x bar y bar whole bar, then y bar z whole bar, then again and complete bar. Okay, so here we have three inputs x, y and z, x, y and z. These are the three input lines. We'll use inverter. So similar to the previous problem, we have xy whole bar, x, y, NAND gate. NAND gate is AND gate with a bubble. Okay, so this is xy whole bar. Then we have x bar y bar, x bar, then y bar. Okay, use NAND gate here and we'll get x bar y bar whole bar. Then we can use, then we have to find this one, y bar z. Okay, y bar is this one and z is this. Use an inverter and we'll get y bar z whole bar. Now we have to multiply this 3 and then again we have to complement. So we can directly use here a NAND gate and we'll use this 3 as their input to this NAND gate. And we'll get here f, the function f. Okay, so this is the solution, or this is the logic diagram of the function using NAND gate and inverter. So the part is complete. So now we'll go to the fifth part, that is E. Here we can use NOR gate and inverter gates. So we have to rewrite this Boolean expression such that it contains only NOR gate and inverter gates. Okay, here we can see that for this plus symbol addition, if we use a NOR gate, because we can use NOR gate and inverter. Okay, so if we use a NOR gate, then we'll get this complete term whole bar. We have to use another inverter to cancel this whole complement. Okay, so let us draw the diagram. We have 3 inputs, x, y and z. X, y and z. Okay, these are the input lines. We'll use inverter here to get x bar, another inverter will get y bar, and another inverter will get z bar here. So x bar plus y bar. X bar is this one, y bar is this one. Okay, use NOR gate and we'll get x bar plus y bar whole bar. X plus y, use a NOR gate and we'll get x plus y whole bar. Then we have y plus z bar whole bar. Y plus z bar, use NOR gate and we'll get y plus z bar whole bar. Then we have to again add this. So we can use NOR gate and inverter. So these are the 3 inputs here. So we have to use here a NOR gate. So here we'll get f complement. So if we use another inverter, then we'll get f. Okay, so this is the final logic diagram. So this is the solution of the problem 2.14 from chapter number 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.